start for our today's session. So basically, thank you for everyone for joining our 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. So basically, in this online training program, I will try to focus for beginners who don't have any knowledge about that Google Earth Engine, such as Python or JavaScript. You have totally zero knowledge about that coding section. Don't worry about that. I hope after completing this total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently. And our online training program, basically it's total 7 class I will take. And after completing the total 7 days online training program, when you face any problem regarding any issue in your code or any problem when you face, you can get the lifetime teaching support. Okay, so not only for the 7 days, after completing the 7 days online training program, when you face any problem regarding any issue in your code or any problem, or you need any consult, you can easily join freely. Okay, just before one day, knock me and take your time, and you can easily discuss about your problem. Okay, so it's a lifetime relationship with us, so that's why you can easily learn all of those things. Okay, not only for the 7 days, I take the class 7 days and I left all of you, not like that. I will try to teach you all of those things properly. So that's why we are also added that lifetime teaching support. Okay, so when you face any problem for any issue, then you can easily get the support. Okay, for anytime you can easily get it. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I will try to explain our total 7 days online training program course module. Actually, after completing the total 7 days online training program, what you will learn. Okay, so first of all, I try to discuss about the course content. So let me share my screen, and you also get the recorded video class. Okay, so after every class when finish, you can easily get the recorded class, as well as after when finish any class, you can also get some assignment regarding this class. You can easily find out the assignment in our Google Classroom. You can easily get it. Okay, so all of those things you can easily access, all of practice code, everything you can easily get from our Google Classroom. So let's go, we will start. I simply share my screen, and when you face any problem or any question or any confusion, you can simply ask me anytime. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we'll start. Okay, so let's start.